Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. You might be thinking that why I am making this product's video in a very late time in 2024. Yes, I got this because of one and most reason is that this is the only phone in market right now which has a Snapdragon 888 processor. Yes, it is a underrated processor, it gets heated up a lot, but for day-to-day users, this is a very good phone, which comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. If we go with the latest S24 FE, that doesn't come with a Snapdragon processor, and you might be thinking that for day-to-day works that would be fine, but that is very costly, and this I got it for around 25,000 rupees. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up. To be frank with you, I bought this from Flipkart, and there is a new policy of open box system, so they have already tiered everything and they have opened the box. You can see here rest details like this product is manufactured in July 2024, so it is the latest phone. It comes with 4 OS updates. I don't understand what will be the case for this one because it was launched in Android 12. So it should come up for 13, 14, 15, 16 to Android 16. But since this was launched in India, I think last year, so it should come for 17 maybe, but we'll see what happens later on. So this is the phone, as you can see here, and my dear Flipkart delivery boy tiered this like this, so it's a waste. What to do, those guys are like that. So you can see this is the phone here. So the color I have got is navy. We will remove the sticker. You should never keep the sticker here. You should put this sticker somewhere up there. Okay, and we'll see on the back there is nothing here. We have got the USB cable, I think. Yes, USB cable here. Okay, it opens here. So as you can see, yes, I think this is the user manual. We get the USB-C to C cable here, and the SIM ejector tool here, and this is the phone. The phone's display is 6.4 inch, and it comes with 3 cameras, 12, and one is 8 megapixel. Front one is 32 megapixel, and you can see there is no silver ring around the front camera, which we used to get it on this S20 FE. So why wait, my friends? Let's boot this up. In the meantime, I'll show you that we get a SIM tray here, USB-C port, and one speaker here, or another speaker here, one microphone here, and on the side there are 2 buttons, and that's all. Let's open the SIM tray to look inside what type of SIM we get here. Okay, so let's remove this and check it out. So we do get dual SIM support here, like one SIM here you can see here, and the other SIM on the back. So there is no option for your memory expansion or something. You have to get what we get with the phone. Out of the box, what are the apps are here, I'll show you. Let me skip this part. So as you can see here, I'm on the last page. We will select I think light mode. So it's booting up. You are all set up. Finish. So out of the box, you can see these are the apps which are in this phone. So there is no bloatware or there is nothing installed here, just like your flagship phone. When we go inside the settings and we go in about and check the software version, so out of the box it comes with One UI 6.1 Android 14, 1st January 24, Google Play system update, and your security patch is 1st July 2024. And you can see this is the S21 FE. We can check the storage here. You can see the storage is used only 6%, 70.7 GB, and these are the available space that we get. And about the RAM management, you can see nowadays the extended RAM is selected as 4 GB. You have to go for the 8 GB. So these are the details about this phone, and I see the display is clearly nice, and the quality of color is good. Even we get the 120 Hz refresh rate here, and all the bells and whistles of the flagship phone. It also has wireless charging here, and USB OTG support. I like the size of this phone. It's really nice. It's good and handy. I like this design a lot, but I don't know why Samsung dropped it and went for the independent circular camera rings. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This was a quick video about the unboxing of the Galaxy S21 FE Snapdragon 888 version. If you have any doubts about this product, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and stay tuned for the case video and temper glass video about this product coming up after this video's release. So stay safe, my friends. Bye bye, and do subscribe my channel. Bye bye.